Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Map not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here. Scroll down and click on and search map. You will see search Google Map. You will see map is here, so click on maps. Scroll down and click on storage. So if you want to check Google Map not working, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Google Map not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.